Updating your email address on Deliveroo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the Deliveroo Apple website. Launch the Deliveroo app on your mobile device or visit the Deliveroo website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon in the top corner of the Apple website. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Account Details. Click or tap on this option to access your current email address and other personal details. Step 4. Edit Email Address. Find the section for your email address. Click or tap on the Edit option next to your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Step 5. Save Changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click or tap this button to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on Deliveroo will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.